two, and three. Okay, what I want you to do is to compare and match different book formats. So each group will be given two book formats, and you have to create a Venn diagram for you to compare and match it. So is my instructions clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you 2 minutes to create.
Cooperate ka, no?
Done?
Gabi siya yung highlight ron.
Okay, group 1, you can present first. Very good, group 1 and group 2. Okay, very good, group 2. Lastly, group 3. Go now.
It's so great, Laila.
Okay, so you all did well in the activity. I can see that you really listened to my lesson. Yes. So, any questions?
And ma'am.
Question, Kiana?
No.
Sige daw, Kiano, be.
Since you don't have any question, I have. Okay, so I want Myla to read and answer this question.
How do various book formats in children's and adults literature cater to the diverse interests and development stages of young readers? So, how do various book formats? So, in that, children and adults in literature cater to the diverse needs of the readers who have, like, for example, the picture books that they can comprehend what the picture is trying to convey, and also they will understand the context.
Yes, you're correct, Myla. Thank you. And for the next question, I want Brady to answer.
How can educators and parents effectively utilize these formats to support and enhance young readers' overall literacy development? So first, the educator's teacher, of course, you have to integrate those stories, like mga specific formats of the book for the students to be able to have their reading comprehension or their literacy in reading. And also for parents, of course, naka-experience at kung like, pabasahon sa book stories sa mga
Yes, thank you, Brady. All your answers correct. I can see that you really listened actively and participate actively for today. So now, so it says, if you really put in mind the topic or the lesson today, let us have another activity. So get 1/4 sheet of paper.
1/4, ma'am. Oh.
Yes, 1/4. And you need to write if the item is true, you need to write true in capitalization. And if it is false, you need to write false. Is my instruction clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can start now. Alright. Okay, pass the
Exam?
paper.
Sige na.
3, 2, 1. Okay, thank you everyone for your
Ipasa na ng imo, JJR.
Okay, so for the last activity, you can picture this slide. This is your assignment for today. Okay, you can take pictures. Okay.
Isan ninyo sa GC.
So any questions?
None, ma'am.